Hello students, today I am going to teach your chapter 4. Your topic name is mensuration. It means in this chapter we will discuss about perimeter and area of your plane figures. Okay, so now we will discuss one by one your all points which are related to your perimeter and area of your plane figures. Okay, students. So your topic name is mensuration. So what is mensuration? Mensuration means what? Mensuration is a branch of mathematics. This is mensuration means a branch of mathematics which deals with the perimeter, area, volume of your geometrical figures. It means studied about your perimeter, area, volume, surface area, and your total surface area, all things in your geometrical figures. Okay, so once again listen, mensuration is a branch of mathematics which deals with the perimeter, area and volume of geometrical figures. It means your geometrical figures means your about your 2D and 3D figures. It means plane figures and your solid figures. It means 2D and your 3D. Okay. So now first we will discuss about your perimeter. So what is perimeter? Perimeter means what? Distance covered along the boundary of a closed figure. It means the perimeter of a closed figure is the length of its boundary. The length of its boundary, that is called your perimeter. Look here. Suppose that this is your plane figure. So boundary what? This is your boundary. And the sum of its length, sum of its side is called your perimeter. It means your distance covered along the boundary. It means the plane figure, the perimeter of a closed figure is the length of its boundary. Length of its boundary. It means suppose that this is A, B, C, D. Your perimeter is what? AB plus BC plus CD plus your DA, yeah, AD. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, yeah, AD. This is the sum of your boundary, sum of your all side. So this is called your perimeter. Distance covered along the boundary. This is called your perimeter. And now, what is area? Area means what? Area means the region enclosed by a closed figure. The region enclosed by the closed figure. Look here. The region enclosed by a closed figure. It means the surface that is covered by a closed figure. Look here, your shaded portion. This is the region. This closed figure is enclosed by this region. So this is called your area. Your this shaded portion. This is your area, and this shaded portion. This is your area. Clear? region enclosed by a closed figure, this is called area, and the distance covered along the boundary of a closed figure, this is called your perimeter. This is the difference between your area and your perimeter. And now we'll discuss about perimeter of your rectangles, perimeter and area. Perimeter and area of a rectangle and square. Look here. This is your rectangle. Okay. So perimeter means what? Your total, your sum of your boundary, your sum of your sides. A, B, C, D. And this is what? This is the length and this is your breadth. Length and breadth. Your rectangle means what? Quadrilateral having your opposite sides are equal. That is your rectangle. This is length. This both are opposite sides equal. This opposite side equal. Okay. And the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to the sum of all sides. It means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. And AB equal to what? This is length L, and BC equal to your breadth B, and CD equal to your length, and AD equal to your breadth. Okay, this is L, L, L plus L, this is 2L, and B plus B is 2B. Okay, 2L plus 2B, and here common is 2 into L plus B, and this is the formula perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. L what? This is your length, and B your breadth. So 2 into length plus your breadth, and this is your perimeter of rectangle. And now the same as your perimeter of, first we will discuss about perimeter and then after your area. Perimeter of a square. Square means what? A quadrilateral having all sides equal, that is your square. All sides are equal, same length, same measurement. So look here, this is your square, all sides are equal, AB, CD. So your perimeter equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. This is the sum of your total length. So this is, all sides are equal. This is your L, length of side. Yeah. This is, all are equal. So length. L plus L plus L plus L. This is 4L. What is L? Your length of your side. It means 4 into your side. This is your perimeter of your square. And now area. Area of rectangle, now area of square. we'll discuss. Area means what? You're the space, a region enclosed by a closed figure. This portion. Okay. So your area equal to your length multiply breadth. And here, area of square, your length, breadth all are equal. So this is same formula. Your length multiply your breadth, but here length and breadth both are equal. So this is side into side. Yeah, side square. Yeah, side multiply your side. This is the formula for your rectangle and your square. So what is the formula for length? Length of rectangle is equal to your area by your breadth. And what the formula for breadth? Breadth equal to area by your length. Here three formulas. One is area of rectangle, length of rectangle, and your breadth of rectangle. And now, what is the formula for side? Side equal to square root of your area. Okay, these are the formula of your rectangle and square. Now, we'll discuss about your perimeter of regular polygon. Regular means what? All sides are equal. Polygon having all sides are equal. Perimeter of your equilateral triangle, perimeter of rectangle, your perimeter of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means what? Polygon means what? Polygon means your closed figure only bounded by your line segment. It means straight line. That is your polygon. Now equilateral triangle. Equilateral. Equilateral means what? Equal sides. Triangle having equal sides. That is your equilateral triangle. All sides are equal in a equilateral triangle. Okay, so what is perimeter? How many sides? 3 sides. So perimeter of your equilateral triangle three into side. This is regular polygon. The same as your square. Square also your regular polygon. There are 4 equal sides. It means your polygon of square 4 into side. Your perimeter of regular pentagon. It means perimeter of regular pentagon. The regular pentagon means what? Pentagon having all sides equal. Regular, all sides equal. So here pentagon means your 5 sides, so 5 into side. In this way, we can put formulas your all polygons. If there is hexagon, heptagon, decagon, put your formula. It means your perimeter of n sided of regular polygon, that is n into side. N your number of sides. Okay, so this is about your different types of your regular polygons. It means perimeter of regular polygons. Now, how to calculate area of a closed figure that is not regular? How to calculate closed figure. And what is your standard unit of area? Standard unit of area means what? If your length of side is given, suppose that in centimeter, या meter, या millimeter, and that is the standard unit of area is square of unit. Square unit. Square unit means suppose that your length of side is given meter. So your area equal to meter square. This is your standard unit. Meter square या centimeter square या millimeter square, kilometer square. Okay, this is the standard unit of your area. So now we'll discuss about how to calculate the area of a closed figure. Now look here. First you convert your figure some small squares. And here length of each small square, suppose 1 cm. This is 1 cm, 1 cm, 1 cm. Okay, your side of each small square is 1 cm. And now your area of square is what? Side into side. Your area of square is side multiply side. So area of one square is equal to 1 centimeter square. Your area of a square is 1 centimeter square. Now here count how many square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, it means your total number of square is 15. So total area of this closed figure is equal to 15 into 1 centimeter square. This is 15 centimeter square. Look here, this is total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is total 5 cm, and this is total 3 cm, and this is 3 cm. It means this is what? This is your rectangle. 5, 5, 3, 3. So 15. So you can put also your another formula 3 into 5. Yeah. 5 into 3, length multiply your breadth, this is 15, and this is your formula of area of rectangles. Okay, so now only one thing we'll discuss here, how to find area of irregular closed figure. Irregular means there is not given equal sides, there is no name of that polygon. For irregular figure, look here, suppose that this is a closed figure. So what is the name of this closed figure? Nothing. Okay, so how can put your formula if there is no special names of this polygon? So how can find the area of this closed figure? So this is by using your graph paper. You can find the area of irregular shapes. So for it, you draw your this polygon in your graph paper. Okay, your graph paper. In a graph paper, we draw your shape of this figure. Okay, and in graph paper there is small unit that is look like a small square. I have plotted your graph paper. This is your graph, and this is area of small square whose length of side is 1 cm. This is area of one square. Area of one square is 1 centimeter square. Okay, now calculate. You count the number of complete square. Number of complete square. How many complete squares here? Count. How many complete square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, your total number of complete square, total number of complete squares is 24. Okay, now count the number of square which are more than half. Number of square which is more than half. Number of squares which more than half. More than half. Look here. If this is half and this is more than half, count. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 8. Here also 9, 10. This is more than half. Number of square is more than half. Count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is total 10. Now, how many number of squares which are exactly half? Exactly half. Look here. How many squares which are exactly half? This is now. You know number of squares which are exactly half. Now, zero. Now, count number of squares which are less than half. Which are less than half. Less than half. Look here. If this is half and this is less than half, 1, 2, and here 3, 4, 5. That 5. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 6, 7. Less than half. 7. So this is, you ignore it, neglect it. Okay, you can't count it. This is less than half. Why? Because here in number of who is more than half, that you have taken your exactly 10 square. So total area is equal to your number of complete square 24 into 1 centimeter square, and your number of square who is more than half, they also will calculate exactly 1 square. So 10 multiply 1 centimeter square plus, here there is no exactly half, this is 0 and this is less than half, you ignore it, it means you neglect it. Now calculate total, your 24 plus 10 and total is 34 centimeter square. So in this way we can calculate the area of your irregular polygons या irregular closed figures by using your graph papers. Okay students, so now your chapter finished. Okay, so in next video we will discuss about in next chapter. Okay, thank you.